Hello. Have you ever been frustrated because some people don't follow the process? I hear you. This is actually a very common challenge, and I want to help you understand the root cause and focus on what you can do about it. Number 1, personality. Some people would rather ask for forgiveness than for permission, which comes down to their personality. Action-oriented people will look for shortcuts if they don't really understand the why of the process. Usually, these are people who haven't been involved in developing the process. And if it doesn't make sense to them, they won't follow it. It's as simple as that. Number 2, lack of understanding. Have you ever considered that many people are afraid to ask questions when they don't understand something? The mix of people who are not very good in transferring knowledge in combination with the fear of looking stupid is real. Communication is a two-way street, and responsibility has to be taken on both ends of the communication process. Number 3, complacency and mediocrity. The mindset of we have always done it this way and good is good enough is very dangerous when it comes to staying competitive in the long run. This mindset challenge can be tackled because it is all about how people think. If the value of the process isn't understood, they won't value it. What can you do? Ongoing constructive feedback and positive reinforcement are time investments at first, but they will help people to develop a growth mindset. You will be surprised how effective this is. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.